Hey guys, before I show you guys how to do this look, I want to show you this cool shirt that I have that matches very well to the theme that I have today. It says Grow Kindness, and it is by the company called the Element of Kindness, and I have recently partnered with their brand, and I have a code if you would like to purchase some of their clothes. The code is Hillary15, HILLARY15. So I will leave a link to their products in the description below, so please go click and buy some of their clothes if you like them, and use my code if you want to save some money. Okay, thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Majestic Hillary, and today my idea is to have like flower eyebrows. And to start this look off, I think I'm gonna have to glue down my brows, which is a little bit scary because I've never done that before, even though my eyebrows are kind of non-existent. But I mean, let's just get into it. That looks so scary. Okay, so I did practice drawing flowers a little bit just to like see if I could I got these like liquid eyeliners for my birthday, which was a couple days ago, and I wanted to practice like mixing colors, see if I could like maybe blend these out just a little bit, and I learned a lot. So I have no idea like what order I'm gonna put these in, but I mean, I don't really know if it matters either. So, and I want to follow the shape that my eyebrow already was because I have no idea how to draw eyebrows. So I have this blue one, and I'm just gonna try to start. I have no idea what these flowers I'm doing are called, so I don't know, but I'll explain it a little bit while I'm doing it. So for these little blue ones, I kind of just tried to draw like a V shape and then a line through that V to kind of get these like petals. And I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit. But I'm gonna take this green one and like draw basically stems that connect them all. So next I think I'm gonna do like a sunflower shape. So I have this yellow one, and I'm just gonna like draw lines, like pick a center spot and then draw lines going out from all the ways from that spot, right in front of these blue. So this yellow color is definitely not as opaque as the blue, so I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit and then go over it again a second time. So now I'm gonna take some of this yellow liner, put it on the back of my hand, right there. And then take this white, and I'm just gonna mix the smallest amount of the yellow in with the white. So I'm getting that light yellow color right there. And I'm gonna try to go in and highlight these leaves just a little bit on each one. So next I have this brown, and I'm just gonna do tiny little dots all in the center of that yellow. So next I'm gonna do like an orangish flower. So I have this orange, and it has 5 petals all like outside. So kind of like how we picked the center for the sunflower, I'm gonna pick the center again and then do 5, we'll try to do 5 even petals outside of that center. Now I'm gonna put some of that orange on the back of my hand. And then take the white, mix it with the orange, and then kind of outline just like 1/2 of the petal, each petals, with this very light white, almost white orange color. So this time I put a little more white on my hand, and now I'm taking the orange to get a little darker orange, but still not as dark as the original color, and I'm gonna try to fill it all in with that color. So with this type of flowers, the very ends of it is a very light pink. So I have this light pink, but just to try to make it blend a little more, I'm gonna mix it with that orange that's already on the back of my hand. And lastly for this flower, the very center of it is a very like deep orange. So I'm just taking this color itself, not mixing with anything, and putting that in the center, going out to each cup. So next I think I'm going to do like a white tulip. So I'm going to take this white again and just outline like the shape of a tulip, which is like an oval, and then like the circle on top, if that makes sense. So while I let that dry, I'm gonna go back to these blue flowers that we did first, and taking any black eyeliner and just giving them little dots at the center where I put those V's. So I'm gonna do that real quick. What I have is this blue, and what I'm going to do is like create the shadows that are in these tulips. So like they usually have like the little flap thing, and then the swirlies in the inside. I'm just gonna start that with this color. So then to deepen up that middle little hole thingy, I have this dark blue, and I'm just gonna put like a dot in there to show that it's darker. And the last flower that I'm going to be doing is a rose. So I'm gonna start that off with this very pretty hot pink. And kind of like do swoops, like kind of like a swirl, but like not like a dotted swirl almost, to give it the shape first. So I'll do that right now. So next I have this darker pink that's almost like a red, and like anywhere where I left gaps, I'm gonna like fill this in with this color. And lastly for this rose, I'm gonna take this light pink and just kind of highlight where I think the light would be on that hot pink color that we put down first. So I've been thinking about what I wanted to do for this actual eyeshadow look for a while. And kind of the idea that I had is I wanted to incorporate this green eyeliner, like either like in the crease or a wing or something, to kind of like represent like the stem for all this. So I might use like eyeshadow colors that kind of match these colors that I have going on. So I think what I'm going to do first is to take like a hot pink color and just put it right in the inner corner of my eye. So next I'm gonna mix that with the light pink to give it a softer edge to be able to blend into the white next. And then next is the white. So next into orange. And then into yellow. And then finally into blue. Just to make this a little bit more interesting, where I have the white in the middle, I'm going to take a shiny shade and put that on top of it just to give it some extra I think I want to take like a green color and kind of darken up the bottom lash line. I did not like the way that green lash line turned out at all. So I think I'm just gonna match the bottom to the colors that I have up top. So I'm gonna go through and do that real quick. So now I think I'm gonna take this green eyeliner and just follow this arrow shape that I made and just do a wing eyeliner. Now I'm just gonna try to replicate everything that's over here. This is gonna take forever, so I hope it turns out well. So this is what they both look like. I'm pretty happy with it so far. So last but not least is the rest of the face, like foundation and blush, highlighter. So I'm just gonna do that off camera real quick, because that stuff's not really important right now. So I'm back, and for lips I'm going to use this liquid lipstick. Mascara for this look. I was recently gifted this blue mascara, which I love, and I think I will put this on the bottom lashes and just regular black mascara on the top. That's everything for this look today. I love how it turned out. I'm so proud of myself. Like this, you know, it always just starts as an idea, and whether you actually complete it is up to you, and I hope you guys all complete it, and we're very happy with how yours turned out too. So let me know if you like this video or not. Let me know if you like this kind of content, if you like this more artistic makeup instead of just, you know, makeup looks. So let me know in the comments below. Please go check out my other videos if you like this. There will be a card that you can click. I don't know which side it's on. I think this one. And I have an Instagram where I'll post pictures of this. Follow me on there. And hope you guys all were having fun doing this. So hopefully this brings you a little bit of joy. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.